Hey there guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll show you how to transfer money from your Wells Fargo account to your Cash App. Okay, this process is very straightforward and we'll break it down step by step. So let's dive right in. So first things first, you want to actually link your Wells Fargo account to Cash App. So you want to open up the Cash App and just tap on the profile icon or bank icon in the bottom left corner. And then what you want to do is you want to select linked banks or add a bank account. And you want to just follow the prompts to link your Wells Fargo account using your online banking credentials. Then, guys, what you want to do is basically tap on add cash. Okay. Just add funds to Cash App. So once your Wells Fargo account is actually linked, you want to go back to the Cash App home screen and just tap on add cash. You want to enter the amount you'd like to actually transfer, and confirm by selecting your Wells Fargo account as the funding source. All right. And then what you want to do basically, guys, is just confirm the transfer. So Cash App will basically process the transfer, and the funds should actually appear in your Cash App balance within seconds. Okay. If there's a delay, it may take 1, 2, 3 business days, depending on the transaction type. So I'm going to give you a bonus tip. Okay. If you prefer not to link your Wells Fargo account, you can first transfer money to your debit card linked to Wells Fargo, then add funds to Cash App through the debit card option. Okay, guys? And there you have it, guys. You have successfully transferred money from Wells Fargo to Cash App. So if this tutorial helped, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe, guys, for more easy guides. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.